Red's hiccup. Welcome to our clubhouse, everybody. I'm sorry, Red has hiccups, so he'll have to go to the doctor. But maybe not. We'll fix it. So first, let's get some Juka tools to fix Red. Come on, Red. Let's go. Hi, Juka, ho. Juka ready, Juka set, here we go. You say good up the sour of a do. Juka me, Juka you, Juka do. Juka me, Juka you, Juka do. Oh, Joodles, it's time to get to it. Shows Juka tools that we need. Juiska tool. Juka tool. We got a glass of water. Ooh, we got ice. Ooh, and we got, there's the mystery Juke tool. That's a surprise tool that'll help us later. Jules has tools, the Juka tool. When we need them, Jules will see them. He's here and on the rails. And all we have to say is so Joodles. All we have to say is so Joodles. Now we got a Jules tool. We can go fix the hiccups. Hiccups! I think Red needs a glass of water. Everybody say, oh, Joodles. A glass of water, ice, and the mystery Juka tool. Is there a glass of water? Wow, there is. We got here. Say cheers. Here goes a glass of water. I think we need ice so we could stop my hiccups. Okay, Red. Everybody say, oh, Joodles. Juice rescue! Oh, yeah, fun for the ice. Oh, and over there, it's the mystery Juka tool. Is there ice around here? Wow, there's a cube of ice. We gotta say cheers. Whoa, man, I'm dizzy. Oh no, he's dizzy. I need to get help then. Alright, an airplane spin. Just let me go spin around and ride an airplane in 3 times. Come on, everybody, let's go outside. Here we are outside. Hey, Hung, where's the plane? How are we supposed to ride and fly with no plane? Looks like we have one more Juka tool left. Hurry before Red gets more and more dizzy. Quick, everybody say, oh, Joodles. I have this mystery Juka tool. Everybody say, mystery Juka tool. Mystery Juka tool. Today's mystery Chuka tool is an airplane. You pick all those six super cheese. Count the spins with me. Ready? Ready, Johan. Ready, set, go. One spin. Two spins. Three spins. Great job, Red. Thanks for fixing Red Hiccup. See you next time, guys.